Ya, mire.
Yes.
Bom.
Oh, I see.
Ya. Ya, dat vai.
Je moet het toch niet zetten.
Ja, dat vai.
Jo.
Ok. Agora esse é da coisa. Sì, no? È muove. Mire, muove. Ja, is.
The back online?
Sì, the back one. Okay, so there are various types of drugs, right? So we just mentioned right now, beside pharmaceutical drugs, we have, for example, we know, we just hear that the herbs that they use, marijuana, etc., cannabis. But we also have, for example, cigarettes and various forms, tobacco.
The herbs is natural to the herbs.
Yeah, the herbs.
Coffee or tea.
Yeah.
It's natural.
Okay, but we will come to that point, because very shortly we will touch on this, because people say, oh yeah, yes, it is natural. I know the Rastamans said we use it, God have created, so it is, you know, that they have the sign of the marijuana on their things, so it is a natural herb, and God has created to smoke, you know, and when we smoke it, we get closer to God. People say, you get higher. But okay, before we go till that, we know that drugs are addictive, right?
Yes.
Addictive. And we have, if I have time, I come back to those verses. And also we see, for example, people that are on drugs, they need it, right? So it become addictive, and you will do whatever you have to do to buy, to drink the tea, to drink the coffee, or to buy the tobacco, cigarette, marijuana, whatever it is. You will do everything to use it.
Stephen,
Yes?
there is the good side from the marijuana and the bad side, because in this time people use the marijuana oil to for medicine too.
Yeah. But it depends how you use it.
And how you use it.
Yes, how you use it. Because God, we know, for example, a car has a exhaust pipe. Het is muffler, toch? So the muffler of exhaust pipe is for the smoke to come out.
Yeah.
Because there is fire in the engine, but we don't have fire in our body. Yeah, so we don't have to have an exhaust pipe, right? So you see that, the exhaust pipe is from smoke to come out because there is yes, but we don't have that, so we don't have smoke to come out.
No.
So
we have an engine too.
Yeah, but it's not an engine that works on gasoline, and so is a natural engine, the heart. It pumps without be connected and recharge, okay? But we see that now, in other words, the smoke, they put it inside. So what does the smoke inside? Nothing. So it's just an habit, addictive habit. Okay. So we see, for example, people that are on drugs, for example, or coffee, they need it, or Coca-Cola also. They need it. I know I had a teacher, school teacher, that she must have every day her Coca-Cola on his table, every day, because otherwise he cannot give lessons. So sometimes he tell us, or some other student, to go buy me a Coca-Cola. So they go to the cantina and buy a Coca-Cola because it must be there on her table, so she can drink it little by little.
She needed caffeine.
Yeah, she needed, right? And these things, they are really so that people maybe sell their things to buy, to buy it. And I remember, just to give an example, there are types of drugs. For example, I was, when I was in Curacao, I used to buy, for example, what I used to buy? Yeah, crackling. I don't know if we know that what it is.
Crackling?
Crackling.
Crackling, that is the
It's like an
answer
8.
to choose.
It's like an 8. It
That
is
is
a
also
Oh,
cookie.
the
cookie. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like an 8 and it has sugar on it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes.
Very delicious. Yes. And I buy it when I was going to school in Curacao. So yes. I went to Salinha, there, a place there, and there is a school, St. Paulus. But on the other side, you have this bakery. And I go there, yes, Majestic, Panaderia Majestic, yeah. And they used to cook it, so when I go there, it's like hot, very delicious, you know, and it is big. So I buy one gulden for one, I buy it.
Crackling.
Yes. So since I finished school, I didn't eat it anymore because I'm not going there. And I think this year, I said a long time I didn't eat that. So I saw in the supermarket a pocket, and you can get some of them, like 20, but they are small. And I said, okay, let me just try it. It's a very long time. So I try it. It's not that delicious as the one in Curacao, but it has a taste. Okay, so I buy it and I eat it while I was working on my computer. But the next day, I feel like, okay, I want to, because it is cheap, €1. And I say, okay, let me buy it. Okay, so it's the second day, the next day. But then, all of a sudden, I feel like I have to buy it again. Yeah. So, yeah, but remember, this is the second time, Second time. So I feel like I have to buy it again. And I said, no, I will not buy it. So I let the day pass by, another day. But it comes in my mind. So then I went, I guess it was the third day. I went back to the supermarket, but I stand in front of the supermarket, but I didn't go in, I didn't buy it. But the thing is, yes, I went till there to buy it. Yes. So you see, sugar is also addictive, right? White sugar. You know, so in order for this cookie to take me out of house to go till there to buy it, shows you a sign that this thing is not good. So when I was in front of Jumbo, I said, no, this is not good. Because it took me out of my house. Yeah, so I said, no, I don't buy it anymore. So I rejected it. So I passed by and said, no, no more. Skip it, right? So I have tried it, and I've seen that, no, it is addictive. I don't know what else is inside there, but sugar I know that is inside. So it take and go back. That's why you see people using coffee and tea. You ask, okay, why does this person has to drink coffee? But the coffee is calling the person, drink me, you know? So it is addictive. Yeah, alcohol, yes.
Early in the morning.
Yes, also every day. So there must be a detox, right? And I'm glad that I react very fast to not fall in that habit.
Pero Stephen,
Yes.
sorry. Mag ik heel even?
Yes.
Zo temo wat je doet,
Yes.
nang ida da tu tapone tu kumbira adicto.
Yes.
Anto bibia nos tem addiction,
Yeah.
nos também nos mente também mesora riba, cigarilha,
Yeah.
número
Yes.
and so forth.
So we're hearing what we are talking about, and many times when you hear about addiction, our minds go to drugs and etc.
Pero mente by Não, outro assunto agora que também tá addiction.
Yeah, and her mind just go to something else which is also addiction. Yeah,
Televisão.
television.
Oh, yeah.
Sim,
Yeah.
também ali